It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto tayo ng isang festive dish. Kaya let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya yung gagawin natin ngayon ay arroz valenciana. Pero eto, meron akong pot of boiling liquid. Yung liquid ko dito ay chicken stock yung gamit ko. So, you can use water but you can also use chicken stock. And eto siya, 4 cups of malagkit. You can also have a combination sticky rice and regular rice. So, yung gagawin natin, di ba, kumukulo na akong chicken stock. And meron akong malagkit dito na I've already rinsed and drained and I will just add it to my pot of boiling liquid. So, parang saing lang, normal na saing. So, it cooks quicker, no, pag medyo mainit na yung tubig natin before we add our rice. And I will just season with salt. And Golden Fiesta cooking oil para mas maging glossy yung rice natin, no? It will also make it more tender. So, let's just let that cook and sisimulan na natin yung second part natin. Ito, set B na tayo. Sobrang simple ng ating gagawin. So, meron akong chicken dito. You can use a whole chicken cut into pieces. Pero yung gamit ko dito, chicken fillets. Before starting, I already salted my chicken. Around a teaspoon of salt and just let it rest. And I will be ready to saute now. So, garlic. Wow, sobrang bango. Onions. Chorizo. So, I'm using here chorizo Macau. You can use chorizo Bilbao. Yan. Yan. And I will add my chicken. And I will just add to give that nice color, turmeric. And eto, to give it a nice orangey color, maglalagay ako ng tomato sauce. No, this is optional, but for this version, I will add tomato sauce. I'm using UFC Filipino style tomato sauce. And I just season with patis, dato puti patis. Linamnam, of course, is very important. And cracked black pepper. I'll add my raisins now. Optional yung raisins. Some people don't like raisins, ha. Yan. And I add 2 cups of gata. Ito yung very important ingredient natin, yung gata. We let that simmer. Look at my chicken. It's simmering beautifully. And so we'll just add our red bell peppers and green bell peppers. Green peas. Add it. And I will just let it rest. Papatayin ko na siya. And our rice is cooked. Yan, tingnan natin, no? Ang rice, kung anong gagawin ko dito, I will just transfer it to the other side. So, scoop out your rice. Yan. And mix, combine. Yan. Look at that. And we just let all the rice absorb. Hindi tayo nag-worry na magiging hilaw yung kanin natin. Kasi, actually, luto na yung ating kanin. Gagawin natin dito, tatakpan lang natin yung ating pan and just let it simmer. No, ipapain-in natin. The rice will continue to absorb all the nice coconut. And tingnan natin yung ating arroz valenciana. Look at that, nakikita natin, nagre-render na ng oil sa gilid. What you can also do is, you can also put it in another pan, then you line it with the banana leaf. Yan. Just transfer it. Yan. Very nice, oh. And we just garnish with hard-boiled eggs. Try this at home. Introduce this dish to your family. For the next generation, mga bata, makilala nila itong arroz valenciana. Our own version of the dish. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.